Hey everybody, it's Charlotte with the Wood & Wick Co. And today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to be talking about mindful making. What's mindful making? Well, mindful making is about how to de-stress by creating. Creativity and crafting, it's not just a trend. It's something that can actually help improve your overall happiness and improve your wellness. So, what are some things that you can do? Well, with our products, you can make candles, room sprays, diffusers, and so much more. Let your creativity run wild. According to Forbes, a few amazing things that being creative can do: improve your happiness, reduce your odds of dementia, and also help you feel more energized. If you're feeling stressed out or anxious, creating something is the perfect mental distraction. Get into the present moment, get your hands messy, and have some fun. Being creative is pretty important. If you're looking for an easy way to get started, check out our DIY kits online. You can easily make all of your own products, no experience required. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!